Well guys, check out this beautiful new addition to the collection. M2 Chase right here. It's the 88 Fox body sitting in the back of that Flowtech exhaust hauler. You have this awesome 1972 Ford F-250 Explorer 4x4. And look at those tires, man. It's a little off the wheel, but God, those are awesome. But either way, guys, if you don't know, I actually posted on the members only. Well, actually, yeah, you wouldn't know unless you're a member of the channel, and it's super easy to become one if you want to support it. I did post that I found the Pez M2 Chase with the 3 Volkswagen combis, or it was 2 combis and like a trailer, something like that. Well, I posted on my local Rapid City page for our collectors in the area that I found it. And of course, my buddy Greg was like, hey man, what do you want to trade for it? He sent a lot of different options, and this one, I was like, oh dude, have to get the Mustang Chase right here with the Flowtech. Didn't have one in the collection. I have a few Mustang Chases from, you know, the Coca-Cola series mainly. But Flowtech, never seen this one. I don't know when this was released, but it is a 750 piece, and I thought, you know what? Let's trade, man. That is super freaking sweet. So, I ended up meeting with my buddy Greg, and he actually threw in an extra Foose Gambler, which is now being traded away for another Chase. So I can't wait to work out this deal and get it all situated and mailed out. But speaking of mailing out or packages in general, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this box right here is from Steve over at the Chase Family Racing, also known as In Count, the man behind the yellow Lancer Evolution. This car has been on the track as a test vehicle for a very long time, but also raced for a long time on the track. And he sent some more racers, or racer, I don't know if it's 1 or 2, but we have that one right here. And this box is from Walter over at the Hotline of Diecast. Now, I sent him a package because I've been wanting to send him some stuff, so I put some goodies together for him. And then my man did one in return, so I guess in a sense it's a trade or a act of kindness. So we're going to start out with the one from Steve over at Chase Family Racing. Let's see what we got. All right, here we go. Let's see, what do we have inside of the box as far as racers go. Ooh, check this out. He put them in some little grab boxes. Nice. Oh, there we go. Chase Family Racing, established in 22. Nice. Oh, wait, here we go. Got something on the back. 2 cars to battle the stack, or yeah, 2 cars he wants to go up against the Ridge, and the drivers on the tower. $10 for return shipping someday. What? Dude, he didn't have to, man. I completely don't mind sending packages out, but I mean, the channel does pay for it, guys. Like, it doesn't come out of pocket, but I really do appreciate the gesture, man. That is very generous of you. Mustang driver, In Count. Corvette driver, Gravedigger. Oh, his wife is getting in on this. Nice. Oh, dude, that's going to be sweet. Head-to-head battle. Before anything, I don't want to throw this away. But yeah, man, I appreciate you covering the shipping costs for future trades or boxes or whatever. Let me know, man. I definitely got to send you a package and some goodies and probably some racers for your track. So let's go ahead and open up this one and see which Corvette, which Mustang are going to be going head to head and going after the tower. Oh, wow. That is nice. Dude, that is wicked. Look at those wheels. I don't know how you did that, but it looks like those arts and crafts type of, I don't know, that is sweet. But man, that is a beautiful Corvette, man. Wow, that is nice. This is Matchbox, dude. Metal on metal. Oh, and this is what she's going to be driving in. So Gravedigger in the number 11 Corvette. Ooh, let's see, which Mustang is it going to go against? All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, that is sick looking. Dude, this thing is heavy, man. Look at that. Dude, those 5 spokes from Matchbox look really good on that. Dude, that is awesome. Is this a full custom or what is this? Ford Mustang Boss 1970 Matchbox metal on metal. I have never seen this one before. Oh, dude, this thing has some massive weight to it. Holy crap. All right, there we go, man. There we go. So end count is going to be in the Boss, and Gravedigger is going to be in the Corvette. Talk about epic looking cars, dude. Nice. All right, so I'm going to save this box. The sticker I definitely got to put on to the track. So I'll go ahead and set this right here as a reminder. That way we can get that all situated. But dude, thank you so much for sending some racers to compete. And I will definitely be keeping this on the side because I definitely want to send you something in return. So we will go ahead and put this in the drawer so I don't lose it. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the package from Walter and see what he sent. I have no idea what's even in this box, but pretty stoked. Pretty stoked. Let's just go ahead and pull these out all together. Oh, here we go. We have a yellow Boss 302. Or actually the competition orange. I don't have this one. So this is also from Maisto. We do have my Maistos sitting down there. We also have some kind of hanging around and loose. But I've never seen the competition orange. So this one will be opened and set loose. I think I have a red one somewhere around here as well. So that's actually a pretty nice recolor for the fresh metal release. Nice, dude. Then we got the cool combi in yellow. That's a good one right here. I used to have a whole collection of these. The gray, the yellow, the Zamac, the red editions. I mean, I had a whole bunch, and I ended up giving them to a Volkswagen buddy of mine. So I might, if you're good with that, hook him up with this one if he doesn't have it. Or I might just strip this down and do a custom. I don't know. But definitely a cool one right here. And then followed up, we have another VW. Here we go. It's the ID Buzz from the Hot Wheels Green Speed. We don't have one of these in the collection yet. But I think it would be very interesting to see on the track. I don't know. Walter, do you want to see this one go as your car for the track and maybe go up against Dex's van right there? I think it'd be a pretty interesting van battle. But yeah, you got the huge Y5s on there, so I think it's got a pretty good advantage for equal size wheels, and it has some pretty good weight. So I don't know. Let me know, man, if you want this on the track. We can race it under your name, or maybe you want a different car. I don't know. Let me know. All right, let's see. Here we go. Purple Passion on a blue card. Nice. Look at that, man. You got the white walls, the purple metallic with the flames. Dude, that is nice. That is nice. Every Purple Passion I've picked up, I've always gotten loose. And it's always usually the ones after the blue card series. So this one I'm definitely keeping carded, man. And this was the first release of blue cards because after the tan, you had the graybacks. So yeah, 94, 95 is when they switched cards. So this one's a 92. Dude, that is sweet. Mach 1 in yellow, first edition right here. Nice. Gotta love it, man. I have 2 of these already carded, but like I always say, more the merrier. I can always add details and wheel swap it if I want to. Maybe I can make my own 5-dot since I cannot find that thing anywhere. And when you do, man, they hold some heavy value. I mean, the 5-dots are very, very hard to find and pretty much hold the value of a rare car. I mean, it's not really rare, but I mean, they are very hard to find. So if you do have a 5-dot in your collection, hold on to it. So thanks for another one for the collection. Oh, here we go. We have the 40 Ford pickup. Nice. Check it out. Love the blue, man. Love the blue. Got the red roll cage, five spokes in gold, and the comp cams on the door. Yeah, this is a super sweet pickup, man. Since I'm really not collecting stuff like this, I think I'm going to set like this one to the side with the Volkswagen as for a custom. I think these trucks will make a super, super nice build right there. Then followed up by the 98 first edition. Check that out. It's a beautiful truck, man. Love the blue metallic on it. Let's see if there's any differences in tooling. I mean, you can see one right off the bat. The drag wing is now fixed and casted to the truck, whereas before it was a separate piece. And I think they did a really good job on the molded plastic, because look how short they made the tooling. Yeah, even the wheelie bar is a lot shorter on the new one. Let's see, what else did they change on this one? Looks like for the most part it's similar. The scoop on the hood was actually casted separately, and now they actually made it more stubby by making it a part of the tooling. Oh yeah, you can see a huge difference on that. And like we always say, guys, even the grill is a separate piece. You cannot compare older releases to the modern ones. I mean, the old ones, they just really took the time and made the cars better. I mean, it's almost like before it was a collector car and now it's a toy car. Like, it's supposed to have been backwards. Like, it was originally a toy car, now it's more of a collector. But I think beforehand they were really paying attention to the cars and being released like more accurately to the car enthusiast. I mean, I think we appreciate the 90s cars a little bit more. I mean, just the simple building aspect of it was much better. They still did a good job on these, but nothing ever really compares to the 90s, man. See, next up we have a grab box right here. And this one is the Indiana Jones 1936 Auburn Speedster. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and keep this in the box. Power grabs we do not see. We used to see them all the time in Arizona. So I'm going to keep this in the box. My wife does like Indiana Jones. So maybe I'll add this in her little small section of collection, which is absolutely zero. So maybe I'll get her on this one. Like, hey, you can have an Indiana Jones one. We have another power grab, and it's the 76 Golf GTI Mark 1. Nice. You got to say it right, guys. Walter doesn't like when people say MK1. It's Mark 1. So I've learned watching his channel, I got to be politically correct when we go into the Volkswagen realm, because my man does love VWs. So there we go, dude. That is a super clean one. I do have a collection of Golfs still in my possession, and they are mainly down in these bags. Yes, I know I have cars freaking hidden everywhere in this freaking basement. Cars everywhere. So that is another one. I'll actually be opening up this one later on. And ooh, check this out. Oh, that is sick, man. Look at this. This is I.W. Harper Vintage Car Collection, and you got some Japanese writing. Oh, that is interesting. Dude, you gotta let me know some info on this, man. Where the heck did you get this? That is crazy. 1970 Ford Mustang in yellow, and you got the I.W. Harper. I.W. Harper. I don't know why I said it like that. Like, why? There was no reason why I was like, Harper. I.W. Harper on the sides. That is cool, dude. I've never seen this before. And you have some really cool American cars on there. You got the 71 SS 454 Chevelle. You have the Pontiac GTO, Corvette, 57 Corvette, 68 Chevelle SS 396, and the 53 Chevy 3100. It looks like this brand is pretty heavy in the Chevy world, with little love to the Mustang, but at least they focused on that one. And yeah, dude, that is nice. That is nice. Who makes this? Oh, it's a welly. There we go. Welly Diecast. Dude, that is cool, man. I have never seen any of that. And it's a 1/60 scale. That's interesting. So there we go. That is what we got from Walter. Some awesome trucks right here. Like I said, I'm keeping the 98 First Edition as is. And the newer one is going to be the custom. The grab box is definitely going to keep the Indiana Jones one aside for the wife. The Matchbox I will open and put in my VW container. But this one right here, man, this is a super cool piece. Never seen anything like it, and I love the oddball stuff. And then, of course, another Mach 1 for the collection, the Purple Passion staying carded. And then the Volkswagen ID Buzz. You got to let me know if you want this on the track or not. This combi is going to be a custom, and then this will be added to the collection for a new recolor and edition for the Boss 302. Super cool stuff. Then we got 2 racers right here in Count versus Gravedigger against the rest of the drivers. It's going to be pretty sweet, man. I hope these cars perform very well on the track. I don't know if you guys want it just a straight line, but I'm pretty sure you guys want these as straight line cars. So that is all we got. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course, comment down below your thoughts on anything. And of course, until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.